What is good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Phil S2K. It's gonna be so hard choosing between the S2K and the BM. My personal fact is that I love that both my cars are black and it has red interior. It like completes me, you know? But about to try to head up to MP shop because I want to make a purchase for the S2K. So, you know what I mean? It's income tax time. I didn't get my income tax yet, but you know, I have a couple dollars saved up that I wanted to do for the S2K. So, we're gonna see, man. Like I said, I got something coming in for the BMW. As you guys know now, I just dropped a video and it's killing right now. This is the fastest I've ever gotten, like, views. I mean, I'm not gonna say that, like, but like, let's see. In 28 minutes, I did 340 views. That's pretty good. Like, I don't really normally do that. Normally, like, it'll be close to like 200 towards like the 45-minute mark, but like 28 minutes and it's a 340. That's really well. And a weekend, that's really well. I wish when I drop videos that you guys watch it right away. It just makes, I feel like it'll help the channel a lot. But you know, it is what it is. I'm not like rushing you guys or forcing you guys to like click into the videos right away, because I know people are busy. I'm busy. You watch when you watch, as long as you watch and just support your boy. But I know I said in the last video I wanted to do some merch. I wanted to get some t-shirts made for you guys for the springtime, and I'm gonna be working on that hopefully tomorrow, and you know, getting some designs up today. So if you guys are interested in that, please, you know what I mean, like, drop your t-shirt size, comment it down below, let me know, and who would actually be interested, because I really want to take these builds to another level, and I definitely want to get that BMW like up, moving crazy, fast and quick, shooting flames, everything. So, you know what I mean, like, we have a lot in store. I'm super excited with the purchase that I got. And, you know, like I said, I've owned the BMW before, sitting right there. So, you know what I mean, if you guys want to see it, I'll show it to you guys. But that white BMW that's over there used to be mine. Now I own the black one right here. So this one right here is a 328. This used to be mine. It still has my old plate on it, white on red. Know what I mean? But this used to be mine. Now this black one over here is mine, which is pretty lit. But let's get the day started. Let's go where we gotta go and do what we gotta do. I love the startup on this car too. Like, when the car first starts up, that should be sounding hella aggressive. So imagine when I put the exhaust on here, it's going to sound insane, bro. I need to start looking into some aftermarket parts, learning more about the BMWs and figure out what is what, how things is done, fitment, wheel specs, everything. I gotta learn all of that. So it's gonna be a long road, probably a lot of errors, but your boy's gonna definitely figure it out. Lamborghini gang out here. Lamborghini gang out here. Just taking it to go test ride it real quick. Got my baby over there.
I'm buying an R8. I'm buying a fucking V10 R8. It's coming.
My cousin in the whip.
This is nuts. He said it's not even halfway. It's a little bit. That's a lot for a little bit. What is it, 800? Yeah. It's like, when do you actually ever need 800 horsepower? But you got it.
You don't ever need it. Like 500 is fast enough on the street. Like, nobody's catching it. After the amount of horsepower that I have right now,
yeah,
it should just start spinning tires, even if it's all-wheel drive.
But nobody's definitely catching you.
Yeah, I try not to like hit it too. Like, I never really hit it fully because it's like you never know what's gonna happen.
You care about the car, that's why.
Yeah.
I know, man. We trying to open up.
It's big ass fireballs back there.
It feels like somebody's shooting my back. Damn. Oh my God, bro. Holy shit. Yo.
With spinning tires.
Yeah, you hear that? That's crazy.
Let me put this back down. Now it's on my race map where it's like fast. I gotta get something else.
I thought something happened. I'm like, oh, what is that? That's the car.
Alright, I'm gonna hit it right now. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit.
fireballs on that one.
Nah, because I changed it to a different. All I have to do is hold the cancel button.
Yeah.
And then I can change my maps. Like, look, on map 2,
Yeah.
map 3, map 4.
I thought that like somebody crashed into it. That shit shooting gunshots. Oh my god.
Whew, just finished getting some pizza. Trying to find my keys. Alright.
Car's on the ground.
I know. Dang, we got both the whips together. There goes a dog over there. Black, 2 black whips, red interior. Yeah. My S2K. So I'm gonna attempt to wash the car. As you guys notice, it's basically almost 7 o'clock and the sun is still out, still bright out, which means we about to get more videos, longer videos, and hopefully when the summertime hits, these videos go insane. I'm telling you guys, it's a lot of stuff coming. I can't wait. The channel is gonna do so well this year. I can feel it. So I got some new upgrades for the BM. And it's some nice LEDs for the interior because that halogen just isn't doing it for me. Also got another part coming in. Not just LEDs, but a part. Should be here tomorrow. Whew. So I have a question for you guys. By a show of comments and likes, who would like to see me lower the BMW? Or should I buy a wing for the S2000? Which one would you guys choose? You guys want to see me lower this car or get a wing? Alright, choices on y'all. I really want you guys to be engaged on this BMW because I'm telling you, I'm going to go apeshit. I promise y'all. This car is going to be fast. This car is going to be sounding crazy. And so is my S2K. Now, I actually have the money. I actually have the money saved up and put away for my turbo kit. In order for me to go, well, I'm gonna do it regardless, but in order for me to do it faster and sooner, I need you guys to get me to 20,000 subscribers. Alright, 20,000 subscribers. How about 500 likes? I think we could do it. My last video did like 300. 300 close to almost 400 maybe, if it's at 400 now. So I know we could do 500 for your boy. Alright, 500, let's get me to 20K subscribers, and I'm gonna hop on this boost build for the S2K ASAP. Alright, I told you I've been saving, I've been putting money aside and working my ass off to get this. I know a lot of people always hit me in my comment sections or on Instagram like, yo, how do you afford your S2K? I have a 9 to 6 job. If you guys want me to make this video again, I could tell you what I do for a living and etc. But you guys gotta let me know. Alright, I could do that in a separate video, and I hope, you know, I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy that. Just seeing a 20, well, yeah, I'm 26. No, I'm 25. I'm 25, and you know, I'm working, I'm trying to do the best that I can, and I'm also looking for an apartment now. So I don't know, man, it's a lot to come. So I hope you guys stay tuned because Phil S2K is gonna be the shit this year. New Jersey, I'm trying to put you guys on the map. So all my people from New Jersey, please subscribe to your boy, watch the channel, share, like, comment, and subscribe. All right. Ooh, clean, clean, clean. All that soap. Now we just wipe them down, we'll hose them down, and we good to go. So far, taking out the first plastic was pretty easy. I didn't get to finish the other 2 pieces to the dome light, like the little reader lights, I guess you would call it. But the 2 dome lights are good. Okay, taking the key out. So I just got home, finished changing all the LED interior lights. Right now I'm working on the one down here. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I mean, I just think it would just look better because, like, you know, I want the BMW to look a lot newer, a lot cleaner. And these LEDs are pretty bright, it makes everything look good, so that's why I did it. Alright, so when I plug this in, the light should come on. Okay, so that means I have it in backwards, which means you just swap it around, and there you go. Then you just put that in. I feel like LEDs are always like, you know, one of the easiest things to do, and it makes the car just a lot cleaner on the inside. Oh yeah, mad clean trunk. All right, under the door panels down there. So that's mad nice. Or do you guys think I should put the BMW logo light for that? So clean. So the BMW part is officially here. I've been coming home to parts all day. I actually just went to go pick up something. I'm gonna let you guys know about that in the next video. But yeah, let's unbox this and I'm gonna show you what I got. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this real quick and then go back outside. But this is for the BMW. And I'm banking on the fitment to be pretty good because I use this same company to buy a front lip for the S2K when I had the AP1 bumper before I went Voltex, and their fitment was really well. So I'm hoping their fitment on their BMW front lips are really good too. Good packaging. I don't think there's any hardware. It might be in the bag. Let me just make sure. Alright. Any hardware? Don't think so. I love coming home to new parts though. It doesn't have any like hardware or anything like that, but for the most part it looks really well. Just whip it around. This is supposed to be like the M style front lip, which is pretty hard. So when I lower the car, it's definitely gonna give it a better aggressive look. And for me, I like using polyurethane lips because, you know, it takes a beating better than the fiberglass would. So majority of the time when I'm buying like front lips or like pieces or like body kit pieces, I always try to get polyurethane. So this is poly and this is good. I'm gonna go outside and test fit it and let you guys know. Alright, so right now I'm taking off the 8mm bolts that's underneath the car, so that way I can place it with the new front lip. What's up everyone? So basically the front lip fits. I just didn't feel like making a lot of noise outside because it's pretty late, and in order for me to like get it on there perfectly, I would have to jack the car up and then drill some holes in and do all the extraness. But I just wanted to make sure that it actually fit and that it was good. So it is good, and I'll be able to either install the front lip maybe tomorrow or whatnot. I don't know yet. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Thursday is supposed to be like a little car meet, so I might try to go out to that, and I might let you guys see the new reveal of what I got coming for you guys to see, which is pretty dope. I just picked it up today. I put a poll out today on my community tab, and you know, you guys voted, so I proceeded to do what I wanted to do. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's like here, there, but that's because I've been vlogging, but like vlogging sporadically. I'm gonna try to get back on my old schedule where it's a continuation of everything from day by day and just keeping it clean, smooth, and just to the point. Alright, so I just want to say thank you guys again for watching me. Thank you guys for subscribing to me. My subscriptions have jumped for like up to like almost 400 or so within like the past couple of days, which is dope. We're almost about to hit 16K, and like I just feel the growth, I feel the love, and I hope you guys stay tuned because the BMW is gonna be sick. The S2000 is gonna be extra sick, just know that. And yeah, I'll let you guys go from here. Peace out, catch you guys tomorrow.
Welcome back. Welcome.